You know, you see guys with a cordless screwdriver that are driving sheetrock screws over and over and over again. It's not really.
I always see that as an attachment.
It's not really a cordless drill.
Yeah, they make these attachments that go on the end of screw guns. Usually
screw gun. There you go.
Drill driver.
Okay.
That it sets the screw just below the surface of sheetrock. It's like a dimpler tool on it. I mean, that would be pretty handy to have. But I mean, I classify drills into a few categories.
Okay.
You got your impact driver, a drill driver, a hammer drill, cordless and corded. You know, they have both.
If you're shopping for a cordless or corded drill for dad, right? They're going to have cordless and corded drills that have keyless chucks and keyed chucks.
Oh, yeah.
Generally, a keyed chuck you'll find on a corded drill, although I've seen cordless drills with keyed chucks. This is different. You have to have a key that loosens and tightens the chuck after you put your bit or whatever you're putting into the end of the drill.
Is it short for Charles?
I do not know.
If you're in the market for a cordless drill, either an impact driver, and by the way, impact driver is my favorite. You can usually see them, but they're pretty compact, and as you're drilling in, it impacts it really rapidly, and it allows you to drive screws super, super easy. So I highly recommend one.